Hi everyone, I'm Suraj Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn a new AI tool. In the previous video, I have shown you AI tool which is called as Napkin AI. I hope you have seen the video which I have published the previous week. If you have not seen, please go and see that. I highly recommend you to watch that because it will help to do your work in a easier and better manner. That was about creating a beautiful looking and shareable infographics. I'm sure you will not regret watching it as it would help you to create a beautiful looking and shareable infographics that you can use in any presentation or any Word document or anywhere wherever you want and make your users gain insights from the information which you have displayed within a matter of seconds. It will not take so many time of yours, only 10 minutes. It is you can check and gain a lot of knowledge from it. I hope you'll see that, and today we'll continue with learning a new AI tool. Today I'll be telling about the three main functions which you can use and gain knowledge. First one would be about grammar checker. That is, in our school days we have been struggling with grammars or writing correct sentences. But what if I told you today we don't need to struggle so much? If we just type our content in that tool, the AI itself detects the grammar mistakes and tells you wherever there are changes to be required. And the second one is AI detector. You are seeing so much content in the social media or everywhere you want. Now, if you want to find out if that content is made by AI or by humans, you can do that. There is an tool for that too. That also I'll be sharing with you. And the third one is summarizer. That is, if you are reading a large content or big paragraph, and if you want to get summary out of it, this tool will help you. Make sure to watch the video till the end to never miss any insights and learn from every single bit of information that I will be sharing. Let's continue and go practical into it. Let's directly start with our AI tool by giving you a practical example or live example of how to use it. To start with, I would like to tell you the name of the application which we would be using today. I will type over here Quillbot. Yes, it's a Quillbot AI tool which you can use and it helps you to do whatever I have told you previously. Here at the first link you can see Quillbot AI for Chrome. If you click that, you see a screen appears in front of you somewhat like this. It may ask for you to sign in. You may just sign in by using your Google account or email account and it will display you the same screen which is shown over here. Firstly, let's go with the grammar checker. At the left side of the screen, you can see that there is something known as grammar checker. If I click on it, next it asks for me to add text or upload document. You can do is if you have any documents or word written by you, you can go to that, copy that and paste it over here and it will give you the results. Or you can even upload the document. For now, I'm not having any documents or like that success. I will just write a text over here and you can see that the AI detects the grammatical errors and displays us the correct answers which we can use. Suppose I write over here, hi, Suraj Nayak, create videos for my YouTube YouTube channel. Now if you see over here, the AI is saying there are 5 grammar mistakes. It tells you where is the grammar mistakes and it also gives the option that how can we correct it or change it. If you see over here, it tells with I Suraj, it tells I am Suraj Naik, not I Suraj Naik. And if I press this accept, it will get changed. The next it will ask for, it is asking to put full stop and continue. I'll accept and it will create like that. I am Suraj Naik. Create a video. It is telling create a video for my YouTube channel. If I click on this, correct, and it will give me a proper sentence. Now if you want to add some more sentences and check whether the grammatical errors can be detected, you can do it. I continue with my sentence over here. I also write, I create content for LinkedIn. I create content for LinkedIn and see that it detects an error and it tells LinkedIn. It was just an error. What we can do is, if we want to improve this, that is, we can select this and it's asking for us to improve. If I click on it, it shows me a better sentence that I can use to correct my sentence and show it more accurately. It says, I am Suraj Naik. Please create a video for my YouTube channel where I produce content for LinkedIn. It gives a sentence which I don't require, so I discard and close that, and I'll change the sentence over here itself. Like this, you can identify the grammatical errors, and with the help of AI, you can get it replaced as well. Now we'll go for AI detector. If I go for AI detector, there is a screen which is exactly same as grammar checker, that is, it asks to paste the data or upload any document. Now I am having a document, I'll paste my data from there and see whether it can detect it is prepared by AI or it is prepared by me itself. Okay, now let's see the AI detector tool, whether the AI can detect the following content has been written by me or I have written it by using the AI tool. Now I have written the data in my screen, which you can see over here. After pasting my data over here, what I need to do is click on detect AI. If I click on this detect AI, it will tell me that 54% of the text is likely AI. That is, if you can see the delicious food that we from there till now till the down, it's showing that this has been written by AI and it is true. The above part is written by me and the below part I have taken from the AI tool, that is from ChatGPT. I have pasted it here. This way you can search wherever the content is written. You can just copy and paste it over here and get to see that whether the text is written by any human or by any AI tool. So click here, it is 54% is likely by AI and rest is by human written, that is 46%. This was about the AI detector, and next we'll go for something which is known as summarizer. Now let's see how can we use the summarizer application to make our work done. Before going further, I would like to tell that the following tool has been used only for the purpose of education, and this is not any paid sponsor or any promotion like that. I am just using it for helping you to learn how can the following tool be used. Now let's go further and see how does the summarizer work. How to come to summarizer? If you see at your right left hand side of the screen, there is option called as more, and if you click on that, there is a button over here specifying summarizer. If you click on that, the following screen gets displayed. There is also an option called translate, that is, it helps you to translate your text from one language to another, whichever language is present in the AI tool. You can just check that that is simple and you can use it without me explaining anything further. Now here I would like to explain how does the summarizer application work and how can you get your work done. Before beginning, I would like to paste my content over here and see how does it work. To continue further, you see that I have pasted my data or content over here, for which I require the AI tool to get it summarized and get me a summary part of it so that I can just within 4 to 5 sentences get to know that what is written in the content which I have pasted over here. Now after pasting my content over here, I come to the summarize part written at the below and I click on it, and you see that the AI tool reads the data and gets me the summary of it within a matter of seconds. It roughly takes 10 to 15 seconds for an AI to read the data and get what the summary is it. If you read it, you can see that This was a summary of whatever content I have pasted over here. The same way you can use it for many more applications wherever you require. Suppose you are trying to read something. If you don't understand it, just copy that data and come over here and paste it over here and get the summary of whatever you're reading. You can also use AI detector to help you to detect whichever content you're consuming is whether written by an AI or whether it is written by a human manually. And also a main help, that is grammar checker. It helps you to correct your sentence and get the grammatical errors found, and you can change that too with the help of AI. All this can be done with the help of AI tool. I hope this video helped you to learn a lot of insights, and I am curious for another week where I would be sharing another AI tool. So, to never miss any updates and any learnings, whether it may be in the Excel or in the AI, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon at the below, and like, share and comment on these videos the part you have liked or any other AI tools that you have been using which helps you. I want to learn. If you share with me, I can too learn it and get my audience learn much more. So this is it for the day, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. Thank you. This is your friend Suraj signing off. Bye. Have a good day.